I want to look at one area of the sales funnel, in particular forecasting, and how we apply the AI maturity model. In human-led, human assist, this is level 0. So forecasting is based solely on human intuition and manual data entry. So most likely be using tools like Excel or basic CRM reports, and at times even custom models, but there's no automation or AI. So again, the forecasting relies entirely on the rep's intuition and anecdotal input, with all tasks driven completely manually. But as we move to the next maturity, human-led AI assist, level 1, AI begins to support forecasting by analyzing historical data and engagement, but the human judgment is primary. So forecasting is mainly within the CRM and drawing from opportunity data and the rep's deal commentary for added context. Now, as we move to level 2, basic AI tools begin to assist. So there's limited automated functions like tracking meeting dates or using simple scoring models to flag opportunities. AI then aids but does not replace human decision making. But leveraging tools like Salesforce Einstein or Clary can start to be used here to analyze historical patterns and suggested potential outcomes. As we move to the next quadrant, AI-led human assist, level 3, AI begins to lead forecasting processes. So monitoring pipeline activity, tracking deals in real time, and generating forecasts with human review. AI will suggest forecast categories based on data, things such as activity or engagement, market trends, etc., while the reps and managers actually finalize the decisions. As we move to level 4, AI autonomously performs forecast analysis and submits its forecast alongside the reps for the manager to review. AI will also identify and flag potential risks, so taking the responsibility for risk assessment. As we move on to the final quadrant, AI-led and AI assist, this is level 5, where AI manages the entire forecasting process without human intervention. AI integrates internal and external data. It'll analyze the trends and continuously update forecasts in real time. So essentially, AI is calling the number. So AI calls the number and it actually happens. So it's going to perform a complete forecast analysis and autonomously mitigate risks by taking the appropriate actions, all without the need for any human involvement or human in the loop. So now once we've done this, how do we actually go from one level to the next? What does that process look like? So for example, level 0 moving to level 1 or level 2, there are some things to consider. So some of the key actions, initial actions are deploy AI tools for insight. If you don't have anything, this is where application selection becomes important because you need tools to become more modern and advanced to be able to have the capabilities that level 1 and level 2 provide within the human-led and AI assist quadrant. So AI tools like Clary, Gong, Salesforce Einstein can be used to provide predictive insight and analytics on deal health and pipeline. Now, moving to train teams on AI-driven insights. Look, sales teams need to be trained on how to leverage AI insights in their decision-making process, but at the same time, retain control over final forecasts. For measure improvements in forecast accuracy, you need to be able to compare the AI enhanced forecasts with previous manual only results to quantify improvements in accuracy and time efficiencies. Next are the challenges. So you're going to see and have some user resistance because sales teams may resist relying on AI and oftentimes may fall back to what they're used to or comfortable doing. Data quality becomes a key importance here. AI systems rely on high quality data, which may be incomplete or inconsistent in these early phases. And then also a bias in AI predictions. So without having clean historical data, AI predictions may be skewed or overly reliant on certain data points only. So moving to look at some of the dependencies, you have the data preparation and change management. Again, the data. For AI to be effective, you'll need to ensure that the CRM data is clean and complete and up to date consistently. And then, of course, the change management is going to be the big driver here. This is something that's very new for organizations. So the thing in this phase you have to consider is that teams must adjust to AI's role in providing inputs rather than making final decisions. And then lastly, what should the expectations be for this phase? So the outcome is really just forecasts become more data driven with the predictive analytic improvement accuracy by reducing the guesswork. Again, however, the human oversight and adjustments are still required in this phase.